Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I want to do a little review recommendation over a pair of pants that was sent to me, some running shorts, SPF pants from Baleaf. And these pants, so here's the backstory on this. I'm in Florida, and you know, most of the time throughout the year, 99% of the time I'm wearing shorts, flip-flops, t-shirt, like a lot of Floridians. It's warm down here. We're not used to the cold, but times when I do my charters early in the morning, sometimes it's cold. For us, 60 degrees can be cold. So it's like, well, I want to wear shorts when I'm out there, but I don't want to wear long pants and keep the long pants on all day. So I'm always looking for a good pair of pants to have on that I can take off, that I can put over my shorts. And I came across this company. They sent me a pair to review, and I can tell you this, when I first pulled them out of the package, I was like, these are going to be perfect. I like the pockets on the side, the pockets right there, and on top of it, they're SPF 50. So if you think about it, I got shorts on right now. These things, I can already tell you, I like them. I like them a lot. They're going to work great. I'm able to put them on, you know, a couple hours in the morning when I'm out there. I'm fishing. I'm like, okay, it's starting to get warm. Like today, it's winter time here. It started off at, I think, 58 degrees. Now the temperature is almost 82 degrees. So now it's like, okay, I'm ready to take off my pants, but I want to keep my shorts on. I got the pockets. Oh man, those are nice. And so it's able just to sit down. I don't have to worry about, you know, taking the shorts off, taking the pants off. I can just switch into these really easy. Nice little product, well made. Like I said, they're SPF 50. They're comfortable, very comfortable. I like this material. I don't even know what this material is made out of. I'll have to look. It's hard. It feels almost like a spandex, like a nylon spandex. But let's see. It says polyester spandex. Lining is nylon spandex, and then cleaning, just machine wash, cold, dry, delicate. You know, just use common sense. They're going to work great. I really like these. These are nice. I'm going to have to get me a couple other pairs though. I like the color. So again, it's a company, Baleaf, and they're the jogging running pants. I call them fishing pants. I'm going to have them rename that on their Amazon store to fishing pants. They're going to fit in my boat perfectly. I'm going to use them all winter long down here. I think you're going to like them as much as I do. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.